Hi, third grade artists. Today we're going to draw some koi fish and we're going to color them in using warm and cool colors. We're going to talk about the color wheel and about those warm and cool colors, and I'm going to use paint today, but you can use whatever materials you have. All right, let's look at some pictures of koi fish and we're going to get started. Okay, artists, so I have my materials and I'm ready to get started. First, let's take a look at the color wheel. On the color wheel, we learned that there are 3 primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, and 3 secondary colors that are made by mixing 2 primary colors, which is purple, orange, and green. But in the color wheel, we also see that there are warm colors and cool colors. On this side of the color wheel are our warm colors, yellow, orange, and red. And when you think of things that are warm, like the sun and fire, you think of those colors. On the other side, we have our cool colors, which is purple, blue, and green. And when you think of things that are cool, you think of those colors. So today, we're going to draw some really cool koi fish, and then we're going to paint them using warm and cool colors. Koi fish are so awesome. They're found in ponds, and they're very beautiful. So we're going to make them look like the picture I just showed you, where there's 2 of them side by side. So first, we're going to draw this shape. Like this. And we're going to turn it upside down, and we're going to do the same shape on the other side. Kind of like a big teardrop. Okay? Then we're going to give them, a face. Okay, so we're going to draw a circle here, and inside we'll draw a circle, and that's going to be black. Give them a little mouth. Erase in here. Okay, and then we'll give a little bit there. Curve line there. We'll give him a little fin, or her, and some scales. On this side, we'll make a little fin there, and a little fin there. And at the bottom for the tail. Like that. Okay, and there's our one koi fish. And on the other side, we'll do the same thing. Circle, circle. Curve line here. And then we'll do our fin. Some scales. They don't have to be the same as the other fish. And we get a little fin there. Fin there. And a nice tail that comes out. We can make some lines that go like this. Okay, so here's our koi fish. I'm going to trace them both with marker, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm finished tracing my koi fish with the black marker. And a couple things I want to add in the background. I'm just going to add some bubbles. Sometimes the fish, right, have the bubbles coming around them. Just a couple here and there. Don't make it too busy. Okay, and then I'm going to just put some lines for waves. Just a couple here. Okay, and I'm also going to take a blue crayon. I'm going to paint this today, but I'm going to use a blue crayon to just put a couple of lines around these wave lines. Maybe I'll take a purple, put a couple in here too. Trying to make it look even. Okay, so now I'm going to paint my fish using the warm colors. Remember, the warm colors are red, yellow, and orange. Okay, so I'm going to start with that. I'm going to start with this one fish here, and I'm going to paint this fish using those colors. You can also, if you have the paint like I do, you can also use the crayon to add some lines inside of the fish as well, inside of the fins and the tail, just to give it a little bit of texture. But I'm doing this quick, so I use a little bit of that for the water. And again, you can paint however you want. You don't have to copy me. So instead of just painting it full colors, I'm going to actually blend these colors together. So now I'm going to take some yellow. I'm going to blend some yellow in here. Some orange. I'll blend some orange with this red here. Blend some orange here. Okay, so I finished painting this one koi fish here, and now I'm blending in some orange and yellow on this koi fish. I'm going to add in some red now. And just blend those colors together with the watercolors is great. If you're using crayons or colored pencils, you can kind of just put the colors near each other and they can look like they're blending. Pastels is great too, or oil pastels. Whatever you have is fine. The focus is just showing me that you could color, you can use those warm and cool colors together. Okay, so now my fish are done, all my warm colors, and in the background I'm just going to do only cool colors. So I'm blending purple, blue, and green. So I'm just going to paint, and I'm just going to blend the colors in random spots. I'm going to start with purple. Maybe I'll go here. Doesn't really matter how, just as long as you, and in the background you can even do stripes, if, like I said, if you don't have paint, so you could paint the stripes, those cool colors. Because I'm using paint, I'm able to just blend them together. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and get the blue. I'm going to blend some blue here. Okay, some blue here. Maybe some Okay, and then I'm gonna get some green and blend that together. So you're just showing me that you understand the difference between warm and cool colors by painting the cool colors in the background and your fish the warm colors, which is in the foreground. Okay, and there you have it, warm and cool koi fish. I think this is a framer. Don't forget to send me a picture of yours. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Thanks, bye-bye.